Folks, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own set of Apple Airpods. Everybody likes Airpods, right? Well, they're so expensive. I'm going to show you how to do it for basically free. Ready? All you're going to need is a pair of regular old Apple headphones. These particular ones have the lightning port, but I'm going to show you how to make wireless headphones. So, what you're going to do is you're going to take this sort of headphone connectors here, right? Now what you're going to do is you're going to get yourself a handy little one of these guys, and then you just kind of sit there, and there's one. Let's see if we can get a little closer there. And there's two. So now you can take these wires here, you just pull them apart. These are garbage now. Nobody needs a set of messed up AirPod wires. And now, check that out. And if you really want to get fancy, you could take a little pair of scissors here, and you could just sort of cut that wire, get rid of that, and just cut a little bit of that. And now, you have your very own set of AirPods. So that is how you get AirPods for basically free. Not responsible for broken earbuds or non-working AirPods.